What if I told you that a Mercedes-Benz literally flipped over at just 37 miles per hour? Or that a Toyota RAV4 nearly killed its test driver? The Moose test exposes which cars will save your life and which ones will end it. We've analyzed the data on 14 vehicles that spectacularly failed this crucial safety test, and the results will shock you. Before we dive into the fails, here's why the Moose test matters. Hitting a Moose can be deadly. Its massive body crushes the roof and windshield, putting lives at serious risk. The test simulates swerving around a sudden obstacle, like a moose, a child, or another car, then quickly getting back in your lane without losing control. Fail it, and things get really dangerous in the real world. Starting our countdown at number 14 is Volvo C40 Twin Motor, 2022. The Volvo C40 totally let us down in the Moose test, struggling at just 53 to 56 miles per hour, which is pretty shocking from a brand known for safety. Even with grippy Pirelli P0 elect tires and a twin-motor setup, it understeered hard and just wouldn't turn in time, sliding wide past the cones. Testers said it felt like the car was politely refusing to cooperate. For a pricey electric crossover with Volvo's reputation, this kind of performance is both embarrassing and a bit worrying. Number 13. Kia Sportage Plug-in Hybrid, 2023. The Kia Sportage Plug-in Hybrid delivered one of the most chaotic Moose test performances ever recorded. On its first run at 30 miles per hour, the SUV was completely out of control, striking cones in every part of the emergency lane change course. By the end, it bounced its rear end into a small army of cones like a pinball machine gone wrong. Stability wasn't the problem. Control was. The Sportage stayed upright, but simply couldn't stay between the lines no matter what the driver tried. Even at lower speeds, massive understeer kicked in halfway through the swerve, wiping out more cones as the driver desperately tried to wrestle it back on course. The best it could manage was 27 miles per hour, and even then, it wasn't pretty. Number 12. 2007 Ford Ranger. The older Ford Ranger struggled to stay composed even under 27 miles per hour, showing just how far safety technology has advanced in recent years. Despite its torsion bar front suspension, a setup meant to help with load balance and stability, the Ranger flopped the handling test with alarming ease. It swerved wide, scattered cones like bowling pins, and showed poor control during sudden direction changes. This wasn't just a bump-in-the-road performance. In an actual emergency like avoiding a deer or reckless driver, the Ranger's sloppy response could lead straight to a ditch or collision. What made it worse was that this truck was designed to haul, tow, and tackle rough roads, but lacked the basic reflexes to dodge an unexpected obstacle. Number 11. Jeep Wrangler, 2019. The Jeep Wrangler's Moose test performance was predictably poor, but still concerning for such a popular vehicle. With its ladder frame, live axles, and serious ground clearance, it's a throwback to old-school 4x4s that prioritizes rock crawling over road manners. At 29 miles per hour, the Wrangler charged into the course but couldn't hold its line, clipping cones and wobbling hard as it struggled to recover. The chunky off-road tires had barely any grip on tarmac, while the slow steering rack meant the little SUV was always late to react. Testers had to drop the speed repeatedly, and even at 26 miles per hour, the Wrangler barely cleared the cones. With its short wheelbase and tall ride height, this boxy climber was clearly built for different challenges than emergency lane changes. Number 10. Nissan Kicks, 2018. The Nissan Kicks delivered one of the most terrifying Moose test performances ever recorded. During testing, the compact crossover nearly tipped over at just 25 miles per hour, with footage showing the body leaning so hard it looked ready to roll completely. You could see the test driver's face tighten, not from speed, but from genuine fear as the car leaned like a sailboat in rough seas, barely clinging to the pavement. Here's the shocking twist. Not all Kicks are created equal. In markets like Mexico, some versions don't come with electronic stability program at all, and that's the version that was tested. Without ESP, the Kicks struggled desperately to stay upright, but with it, the car completed the maneuver cleanly, a massive difference that could mean life or death. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Number 9. Toyota Hilux, 2016. The Hilux might be one of Toyota's toughest models, but it only takes a moose to bring it to its knees. Built on nearly 5 decades of rugged reputation, the 8th generation Hilux was supposed to be unstoppable. But when Swedish testers threw it into the moose test, things got dangerously wobbly. At just 23 miles per hour, the Hilux swerved and nearly tipped over completely, while its rivals handled the same test at much higher speeds with no drama. Despite having electronic stability control as standard, something was seriously wrong. The tires gripped too well, the center of gravity leaned too hard, and without an anti-rollover system, the inside wheel lifted like a warning flag of impending disaster. Number 8. 2015 Ford Focus. The Ford Focus from 2015 showed concerning behavior during emergency maneuvers, struggling with stability and control when quick reactions were needed most. The compact car exhibited poor body control and inadequate electronic intervention during sudden direction changes. Despite being a mainstream family car that millions relied on for daily transportation, the Focus couldn't maintain composure when faced with emergency situations. The suspension setup and tire combination proved insufficient for maintaining stability during the rapid swerve and recovery sequence. For families who trusted this vehicle as their primary transportation, the poor emergency handling characteristics represented a serious safety concern that could prove dangerous in real-world scenarios where split-second evasive maneuvers might be necessary to avoid accidents. Number 7. Porsche Macan, 2014. Here's where things get truly shocking. A Porsche SUV that completely embarrassed itself in the moose test. The Macan's performance was so poor that it didn't just fail. It repeatedly skidded off course, causing the vehicle to potentially run off the road or into oncoming traffic. Testers ran the test multiple times, even removing excess weight from the vehicle, but each attempt ended in spectacular failure. The problem lay with the Macan's faulty active rollover protection system. When the system detected potential oversteer or rollover risk, it would momentarily apply brakes to the front outside wheel. But this intervention was poorly calibrated and often made things worse. For a top-heavy luxury SUV wearing the Porsche badge, this performance was absolutely humiliating and potentially deadly. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz CLA, 2019. The Mercedes-Benz CLA's moose test failure was a masterclass in how not to handle emergency situations. The compact luxury sedan failed spectacularly at speeds of just 29 miles per hour, with the car essentially being all over the place during testing. It took multiple attempts, 3 different professional drivers, and dropping the speed to just 25 miles per hour before it could barely complete the test. And even then, testers remarked the result was subpar at best and potentially fatal at worst. The combination of moderate body roll, insufficient grip on the front tires, persistent understeer, and an electronic stability control system that kicked in at random times made the CLA a rolling disaster. For buyers paying premium prices for German luxury, this performance was absolutely unacceptable and dangerous. Number 5. Ford Mustang Mach-E, 2021. The electric Mustang's failure was particularly disappointing and dangerous. At speeds above 26 miles per hour, it couldn't maintain control, with the all-wheel drive long-range model suffering from severe understeer followed by sudden oversteer. When 4 electric crossovers were tested together, the Hyundai Ioniq 5, Tesla Model Y, and Mach-E, only the Ford lost control completely. The Model Y passed cleanly at 29 miles per hour, while the Mach-E struggled dangerously at just 26 miles per hour. The electronic stability control reacted too slowly, allowing the situation to deteriorate before intervening. For Ford's flagship electric vehicle wearing the legendary Mustang badge, this performance was absolutely unacceptable. Number 4. BMW M4 Competition, 2021. This is where things get truly shocking and embarrassing. BMW's M division builds legendary performance machines, but the M4 competition humiliated itself in the moose test with dangerous and unpredictable behavior. Instead of controlled understeer like most modern cars, the M4 snapped into aggressive oversteer at the worst possible moment, catching even professional test drivers off guard. It barely completed the test at just 29 miles per hour. Absolutely pathetic for a car with this much power, prestige, and price. After the first swerve, it struggled with whiplash corrections, smacking cones throughout the course like a novice driver's first track day. The M-tuned suspension and performance tires meant nothing when basic stability was required. Number 3. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2012. The Grand Cherokee's moose test results were so dangerous that Swedish testers called Jeep engineers to witness the shocking failure firsthand. At just 24 miles per hour, it lifted its inside wheels completely off the ground, and pushing it slightly faster to 25 miles per hour caused it to roll over entirely. There were no successful runs at speeds over 27 miles per hour, with testers noting that both the electronic stability control and rollover mitigation systems failed to work as intended. During testing, the Grand Cherokee bounced around uncontrollably, burst tires, and hit cones with its rear wheels. For a family SUV trusted by millions, this performance was absolutely terrifying and potentially lethal in real-world emergency situations. Number 2. Toyota RAV4, 2019 and 2020. The RAV4's failures were so dangerous, they made international headlines and forced Toyota into emergency action. The 2019 model showed dangerous behavior during testing, leaning so far that it lifted wheels off the ground at just 26 miles per hour. Swedish testers called it a disaster waiting to happen for a family SUV. The 2020 RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid was even worse. At just 24 miles per hour, it darted into the turn, understeered violently. Then the rear snapped out aggressively, slamming into multiple cones. The suspension bounced and destabilized the SUV further, with the front tire rolling so hard it nearly peeled off the rim. Toyota bypassed mechanical fixes and went straight to software, completely recalibrating the stability control system. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz A-Class, 1997. The absolute worst moose test failure in automotive history belongs to the 1997 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, a catastrophe that changed the entire automotive industry forever. At just 23 miles per hour, slower than most city driving, the A-Class didn't slide or skid. It completely flipped over in spectacular fashion. The footage went as viral as anything could in 1997, with media worldwide roasting Mercedes and the public losing all confidence in the brand. But Mercedes' response was remarkable. They recalled every car, paused production, and completely re-engineered everything from suspension to chassis. Then they made electronic stability programs standard equipment. That one flip helped make ESP the safety standard we know today, with every modern car owing its stability control to this spectacular failure. From a Mercedes flipping at just 23 miles per hour to the Toyota RAV4's sketchy behavior, these shocking moments actually pushed automakers to build better safety systems, and we all benefit from that today. Have you or someone you know ever had a close call or even hit a moose? What car were you in? Drop your story in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more auto content that just might save your life.